Enteekateeka zigotanye eza NUP olunaku olwaleero. Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu mwite Bobi Wine tasobodde kubeera ng'agenda n'ayogerako n'abantu be mu nteekateeka z'okuwenja akalulu oba ez'okuba campaign nga bwe yabadde aziteeseteese mu district eya Otuke ne district eya Alberton. Olunaku olwaleero enteekateeka ziremeseddwa olw'embeera y'obutonde and of course n'embeera y'amakubo oba enguudo embi ddala ezimulemesezza ye n'abantu be okucrossinga okuva mu kitundu ekimu okugenda mu kitundu ekirala oba okuva mu district emu okweyongerayo mu district endala. Bobi Wine abadde ali mu Lango sub-region nga gy'atabalira okuba nti awenja obululu asaggula obuwagizi okuva mu bantu be abamuwagala era nga naye agenze kugula buganzi gye bali. Wabula nga bw'olaba amakubo ago galemesezza ye n'abantu be okuba nga crossinga. Ekisooka olwaleero yabadde ateekeddwa okugenda okukuba campaigns ze mu bitundu ebya Alberton. Then bw'aveeyo asooka agenda ate mu kitundu oba mu district era nga bagenda mu okuyita mu Otuke ne batuuka almost mu district weyagala okutandikira naye ng'ate amazzi gamaze okuba nga gasalako ekkubo abali mu Otuke tebasala kujja gye yabadde side ne side gy'abadde abaayo nga tebasala kugenda mu Otuke district. Era kino bamutegeezezza nti kimaze wiiki kati namba bukyanga amazzi ago gasalako ekkubo eryo. Eryo lye libadde ekkubo erya main oba lye libadde ekkubo eryalambikibwa libalina okuba nga bakozesa then nakizuula nti ekkubo eryo mu kaseera ke batuukiddewo lyafudde terikyasobola kuba nga likozesebwa olw'ensonga nti ebidduka bibadde tebisobola crossinga amazzi ago nga mangi mawanvu ate n'ekirala ng'ekkubo ddyo nga ddyo nga lirimuko ebinnya ekintu ekizibu okuba nti identifyinga ng'omuvuzi oba nga driver. So bakyusizza ne badda mu lugendo eyo district ya Otuke ne bagyesonyiwa ate boolekere district endala eya Alberton eyo gye basobodde ate nayo okusinkanira ebiwonvu oba emisanvu emirala mu kkubo era nga gya butonde. Babadde bakyusizza ne bakozesa ekkubo eddala okucrossinga okugenda mu district eya Alberton tebasobodde nayo kubanga batuuka era amazzi ne gabasalako bubi nnyo. Nabo babategeezeza nti siga akajja gato nnyo olwaleero amazzi ga crossinze few weeks back weeks nga 2 emabega era nga obukosefu buno bwe basanze mu kkubo bubadde tebubaganya kubanga batambula okweyongerayo ate okugenda okuyega abantu beyo. So Alberton abadde alina okuŋŋaanya abantu mu rallies 2 mu Otuke ng'alina okwogerako n'abantu mu venue emu. Kitegeeza venues 3 zabadde alina covering olunaku olwaleero zonna tasobodde coveringako venue n'emu olw'ensonga y'amazzi agasazeeko amakubo. Waliwo story ey'ennaku eri so touching mu kaseera Bobi Wine mwatuukiddeawo. Maama omu abadde n'omwana ng'agenda mugema lunaku lwaleero amutwala mu district eno eya Alberton naye maama amazzi ne gamulemesa era abantu abavubuka abalinamu ku mbavu be bakoze ekisoboka kyonna ne bamuggyako omwana n'ebiwandiiko bye then ne bakrossinze omwana oyo amazzi wakati mu bwegendereza obw'ekitalo omwana oyo abazira kisa ne bamutwala bamusomosa amazzi agenda afune obujjanjabi ate then gye bakomewo bamusanze maama. So kyannaku nnyo gwanga beriba nga likyalina enguudo ezifaananako bwe ziti mu generation eno gye tulimu. So ebisingawo muzikirize nkuwa embeera yo yonna nga bwebadde even his excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ng'akunnyonnyola situation nga bwetambudde. Mpa amaloboozi ago ate then tusobole okuba nga tuwuliriza embeera nga bwetambudde.
Main olubadde lutwala Otuke era tuze wano ate nga luno ddo lubi nnyo kwegamba tulemeseddwa okutuuka Otuke essaawa 11:30. Tugamba ate kutoloola tuyinza ate okumala essaawa endala 5. Yeno embeera y'enguudo mu Lango abantu babonaabona nga bwe mulabye omwana ono muto abadde ava kutambuza bigere kutala ku mugga kumutwala kumujjanjaba kumugema lunaku lweguloba nti pursuing omuntu yabadde amaze gwe gatwala bebino ebintu ebimu bye twagala okulwanyisa okulaba nga tujjawo zino enguudo tekitwala ssente nyingi nnyo okuzikola singa abakulembera eggwanga abakontrolinga ssente z'omusolo aba balina omutima ogwagala ozikola olunaku lw'enkya tugenda kotido ne abimu atusabe katonda atutambuze bulungi. How many times a year does this happen?
3 times.
3 times.
In a year.
From April.
And how long does it stay like this when it comes?
2 weeks. About 2 weeks. But the one of April,
Who is the member of parliament of this place?
Okay. On this side is the left hand.
this one is for field.
That side is 12. Marapol. John is up there.
Yeah, these MPs. Who is the MP for this area?
MP Mekano Bedonga.
Samuel
The NRM.
Samuel Opiru and NRM.
He's an NRM MP.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then any Tumchakono?
Marapol is also NRM.
NRM the other side, NRM this side.
Yeah. So now you see what we are trying to fight for.
Mande nyangu nunga wantu lwanyunu pire.
That's why we need change.
Yeah. Well, I must tell you that this is also happening in other regions.
Mira kobu uniki ndamtia timere kaberu kene.
It happens in Busoga, in Karamoja. Yeah, we are almost in Karamoja. It happens in some parts of Uganda. But it is not as bad as this. But what is disturbing my mind is that here, I hear on the presidential results, you vote NRM so much. And it has been 40 years. So how does that happen?
But it's not a vote. That's a stone now. There's no way.
Like the other time we vote for our president.
Last time you voted
Which
for
president?
That day, our vote are stolen.
You voted for who?
Bobi wine.
This is our president.
you voted for me last time.
Yes.
You got a lot of votes.
But you're the one who won that vote last time.
Okay.
I know that.
Well, I was informed by our agents that sometimes our agents were stopped from even reaching the polling stations.
That is also.
Yeah, and that they also here, because it's sometimes they control it with security, that they do whatever they want.
Yeah.
However, this time around, we have an idea. Have you all of you heard about protest vote? Have you heard about protest vote? Yeah, now this protest vote is, we go around educating people. And I also want you to educate, even if you feel here. If each one tells 10 people, will become many. First is to make sure people don't tired. I can see you are tired of even elections. Yeah, but believe me, some people are tired. They think even elections cannot. So give them confidence to come out again. Yes. But this time when you vote, you stay there.
Yes. Yes. That's it.
And you also use, I don't know, I know this side of the country is much more poverty, but some of you have smartphones. Do you have some young people that have TikTok? You know TikTok?
Yes, we have
TikTok.
Yes.
That is one very serious way of communicating. if we connect each other, for example, if there are 2 or 3 phones on a polling station, and you can video that, you can video them stealing votes or doing anything that is unacceptable. If you upload it on TikTok, we are using TikTok to interconnect the entire country. That way, you are going to see people, especially young people, rising from different places, raising their voices. So that is like the security for our vote. But it only works when we have voted, when the vote is there and it is like with the many votes. Yeah. Anyway, we'll discuss others. As you can see, we cannot proceed anymore. Yeah, but we are going to find a way of reaching there. You have seen me physically. Your
Excellency, yesterday they rescued somebody who was already swept by the water. Yesterday.
Yes. They survived. Did not die.
Yeah.
So all of you, I want you to become Bobi Wine of your place.
Yes.
You can do the same
for
thing.
us. For us, we bought, but those people, they use very dangerous people to bait.
I know.
If they try to follow, like me, I'm your friend now.
Yeah.
They beat me seriously. I don't know what is wrong with them. They become a bee. Huh?
I know, but we want to stretch them this time.
Fine.
This baby just crossed from the other side.
Last time they used COVID, but now there's no COVID. But in any way, do what you can. Try to film it. Try to upload it on TikTok. But again, also spread this thing. Let people vote for us.
We as a youth, we are going to vote
tell them
for
when
you.
they vote for me, they'll get a president that can reach anywhere.
Yeah.
Strong and young like them. Am I weak?
You are easy to approach even.
All right, my brother.
We are tired with the whole museum is talking. What?
All right, I have nothing to leave with you.
Okay.
But I will leave you.
What of that? There's no cap. One for the baby here.
This young man.
Okay, sorry.
I'm not sure. You ask my men. Oh yes, Honorable. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah. Please come and give a word. This is our MC. Yeah, aspirant.
Bobi Wine, oh yeah! Last time we voted for him. We voted for him. But my humble request to you is you keep the vote. We are going to try with all our level best to give, like the way we did it last time. Like me talking, I'm now carrying the flag of no. Over there as a councillor. Yeah.
Brilliant, Mr. Councillor.
Yeah.
Why didn't you introduce yourself? Now, Councillor, Honorable Ageno just discovered something about this child.
About this child, this baby has been sick and the baby was supposed to access immunization, but since morning they have been trying to cross the road to go and access hospital, and they are now coming back from 8 in the morning. They are coming back and the baby is still weak, but they have to cross the water and go back.
Yeah.
That is the situation of the hospital we have. And then also I'm getting communication from them. They are saying that they have loved the president for coming to see their own problem, test what they are passing through. This other president crossed here on the hair, Easy Lodge, but he has never crossed on this road. Come to try to pass with them, so they are so happy.
Let me also say this, maybe you translate it. My friends, We don't just come to see it. Having seen it, this is what we are going to do when we are in power. Because you're not only putting Bobi Wine in power, you're putting Bobi Wine in power together with this team. So when you tell people when they go to vote, they don't only vote for me, but for where they see the umbrella. When we are in power, this can be fixed. I know these young children have grown up seeing this, and now they think it is normal. This electricity is not just supposed to pass here and go to big cities alone. It is not so expensive for government to put small transformers to ensure that even these small houses scattered here, they access electricity because it's ours. So these things teach them to other people. Tell them it is not supposed to be like this. We are being cheated. Okay. And when the government does it, they will not be helping you. You pay taxes. Even the clothes, even this shoe you wear. As long as you buy it with money, you pay taxes. Okay? And so the government has a lot of money. And that money so besides liking me as an individual, I want you to understand and also teach other people the reasons why I am into this thing. Why did this musician get into politics and now he wants to so it will be the same reason for you, the border rider, for you, the farmer, for you, the teacher, everybody to get involved, right? Yeah, so that's my last word for you, but I want to promise you, you are still young. Don't stop hoping. Thank you, my friend. So today we have failed to reach where we're going. We first used the other road, the main road. The main road was not was cut off by water. We drove another 45 kilometers, but again this road is equally cut off, and this is worse than the one we went to. Our cars cannot cross, and we are told it has been happening. It has been in this situation for the last 2 weeks, and it happens thrice a year. This is the state of roads in Lango. One of the things that we pledge to improve when we are in government. Thank you very much.